What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on GOOG ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with amazing fundamental news related to Alphabet company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset is extremely bullish. It has a huge movement to the upside. Let me show it to you. From this recent bottom to its all-time high, it surged up for about 200%. And definitely in the course of less than 2 years, 200% for value stock is a very high number. And as you can see, we have this movement to the downside. It lost from its all-time high about 17%. Hit the 55 exponential moving average on a weekly time frame and had very good bounce with a huge volume. And I have to say that it is a very good sign that it has this movement to the upside. But if we switch to lower time frames, for example on 4 hours time frames, we have extremely sharp movement to the upside. And for these type of stocks, it is not so usual to have this movement to the upside without a deep retracement. That's why we have to be cautious, and I have to say that all in all I'm very bullish on this asset. And let me show you that my Elliott wave breakdown is right here. We had the bottom of our wave at the end of March 2020. And the top of our fifth wave was on September 2021. And this movement is an unusual but still very possible, the ABC correction. And it is very technical. And the B point is slightly above the top of our fifth wave. And it happens. It is not so usual, but it happens. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals. And let me show you why we had this huge movement to the upside. First of all, let me show you this article. It was posted on February the 2nd and it's titled "Why did Alphabet stock jump today? Q4 earnings, stock split, ignite shares." And let me quote you this. For the period ending December 31st, Alphabet earned $30.69 a share on revenue of $75.33 billion. Alphabet smashed the estimates of Wall Street analysts who had forecast the company to earn $27.24 a share on $71.83 billion in revenue. The majority of company's revenue came from Google advertising, which included sales from search, YouTube ads, and Google network ads. Such advertising revenue totaled $61.2 billion, up from $46.2 billion in the fourth quarter of 2020. In addition, Alphabet said it would implement a 20-for-1 stock split in the form of a one-time special stock dividend on each of the company's Class A, Class B, and Class C stock. If the split is approved by Alphabet stockholders, all shareholders as of July 1st will receive new company shares on July 15. On the company earnings call, Alphabet Chief Executive Sundar Pichai said Alphabet's focus for 2022 will be on evolving our knowledge and information productivity, and that investments in areas such as artificial intelligence will be key throughout the year. We are deeply investing in AI and applying that across the company, but particularly in the area of search, Pichai said. Another area of strength that Pichai highlighted was the company's Google Cloud business, which rose by almost 45% from a year ago to $5.54 billion. And definitely because of this information, a lot of analysts raised their price targets, and let me show you that for now, according to TipRanks, it has 8 ratings. And all of them suggest to buy this stock, and the price targets are following. The lowest price target is $3,000, average price target is $3,542.5, and the highest price target is $3,900. And the upside potential to the average price target is 19.65%. So quite good upside potential for this type of value stock. And let me show you their official report. We are on their official website, and right here you can see that increase in revenues for 2021 is 41%, but previous increase was only 13%. And we have to keep in mind that this huge increase was made partially because of the pandemic hit and because of the total insanity on the markets when the Federal Reserve prints money in enormous amounts. So let me show you another very good catalyst. On the page 6 we have this number: financial activities and repurchases of common and capital stock. And let me show you that on 2021 they repurchased for more than $50 billion. $50.27 billion in value was repurchased from the float, and technically it is more than 2.51% of total amount of shares, and this number is also very bullish. So I will put the link on this earnings report in the description below, and you will be able to read it by yourself and make your own conclusion about this company. But all in all, the company for now is very stable. It has mind-blowing numbers all across the board, but we have to keep in mind that these numbers of growth are not so usual for these big companies. And that's why we have to be cautious, because if the growth will slow down, we will definitely see slower growth on its stock. And that is why we have to be cautious. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? In my opinion, we have this very sharp movement to the upside, and it was made right after their earnings report and the information about their buyback activity and the stock split. And they will have 20-to-1 stock split in the mid of summer if everything will be approved with their stakeholders. And technically it means nothing. The value of its stock will be divided by 20, but the number of these stocks will be multiplied by 20. And from this point of view, it cannot affect by any means the price of the shares. So, and what should we expect next? Let me show you on a smaller scale that if it is the bottom, and first of all, let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom right here to the very top, to the top of our fifth wave, not to the top of the B wave right here. Let me adjust this tool properly. We hit exactly 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and statistically this level might be a trend reversal point only in 10% of cases. And this means if it is the case, it is a very rare case for this company, and from this point definitely we might go higher. But in my opinion, in the near term, in a matter of just several weeks, we will hover in between $3,000 and $2,500, and this range might be your accumulation range if you want to invest in this asset. Technically, we might see even lower price points, but I don't think that it is very possible because of the total bullishness of this asset. And the only case when we might see lower prices, lower than $25,000 is another potential black swan on the market. And it is very unlikely to see two swans in a row in a matter of a couple of years. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!